Hi there, today let me demonstrate how to make a histogram in Microsoft Excel. But before that, let us first learn a few things about histograms. The histogram is represented by a set of adjacent rectangles, where each bar represents a kind of data. For example, this histogram presents the frequency distribution of the weight in kilograms of the students. Here we can see that 7 students weigh between 41 and 45 kilograms, while only one weighs between 71 and 75 kilograms. A histogram can show if the data is normally distributed or skewed to the right or skewed to the left. A histogram is the most commonly used graph to show frequency distributions. Raw data can be converted into a frequency distribution table, and in return, this table can be converted into a histogram. Here we can see in the histogram that bin 45 contains the highest frequency, which is 7, as also reflected in the frequency distribution table and the raw data. Now let us proceed in creating a histogram. This is our raw data representing the weights in kilograms of 29 students. Our first step is to create a bin. Considering that the lowest value is 31 kilograms, we shall start from 35 as our bin and have an interval of 5. So, our bin is from 35 to 90. If our bin is 35, this means that all weights falling within 35 kilograms and below shall be placed here. Now that we have the bins, we shall click Data, select Data Analysis, select Histogram, and click OK. The input range shall contain the raw data, excluding the label. And then, the bin range shall contain the bin excluding the label. Now we shall define the cells for the output range. In this case, we shall place it adjacent to the bin, tick Chart Output to generate a histogram, and click OK. So now we have the frequency at each bin and a histogram. Now let us make some edits by removing the color. Let us select No Fill so save some ink when printing our graph. Let us provide each bar with a solid black border line, and lastly, let us reduce the gap width to 0. So, this is now our histogram. Thanks for watching. See you soon.